Hi to everyone. Now we are going to discuss the complete biparate graph. So what is a complete biparate graph means? If G is a one graph, G is a one graph with V vertices and E edges. This V vertices, you divide them into two subsets. M mine, one set contains M vertices, another contains N vertices. Okay. So the vertices set for the graph G, the vertices set you divided into two subsets. One set contains the M vertices, another set contains the N vertices. So now, so the complete biparate graph is denoted by KMN. So complete graph biparated graph denoted by Km comma and subscript. So now the definition, what is a complete biparate graph means? There is an edge between, there is an edge between two vertices. There is an edge between two vertices if and only if one vertex, one vertex is in first subset and other vertex is in second subset. So listen this carefully. There is a edge, there is a edge between two vertices if that one vertex in the first subset and second vertex in the second subset. So in that way it is happens in the graph, then that graph is said to be the complete then the graph is said to be the complete biparated graph. So that is, when you come to the example, to understand the definition, we take one example. For example, K2 comma 3. That means total how many vertices? 2 plus 3, 5 vertices. So you are taking one graph, you are taking one graph G equal to V comma E. It contains how many vertices? 2 vertices. Sorry, it contains the 5 vertices. These 5 vertices I am dividing two subsets. One contains the two subset V1, another is a V2. How many in the first subset I am taking? 2 vertices. Second subset I am taking 3 vertices. So now according to definition of the complete biparated graph, so first set 2 vertices I am drawing here. Second subset 3 vertices I am drawing here. So now complete biparated graph means there is a edge between two vertices. There is a edge between two vertices if one vertex is in the first subset and another vertex is in the second subset. So this is a your first subset. First subset. This is the second subset. Second subset. So complete biparated graph means there is a edge if and only if one vertex in the first subset, another is in the second subset. So I am drawing here. So there is a edge between first there is a edge between one vertex in the first subset and second subset. This also. This also. So now this is also. This is also. This also. So if you take any edge, if you take this one edge, one vertex in the first subset, another is in the second subset. So when you take this one edge, so one vertex in the first subset, another vertex in the second subset. So this type graph is called as a complete biparated graph. So first vertex how many? sorry, first subset how many vertices? 2. So K2 comma 3. So that is only an example. So now, for example, if you draw one vertex here, then it is not a complete bifurcated graph. Why? Because there is a edge. There is a edge between two vertices. The two vertices are in the same set only. So if you draw like this one edge, it is not a complete bifurcated graph. So I think you understood what I'm saying. So this is a K2 comma 3 is a complete bifurcated graph. Suppose this is your first subset. I'm drawing one edge here. You draw one edge. Now it's a complete bifurcated graph. Now, no. Why? Because if you take an edge, that edge is a edge between that edge is the between two vertices. The two vertices are in the same set, so it is not a complete. If you draw one edge like this, so so the complete bifurcated graph means given graph divide the number of vertices into two subsets. One subset contains the m vertices, another contains the n vertices. If there is a edge, if there is a edge between two vertices, if there is edge between two vertices, compulsory one vertex is in the first subset and other vertex is in the second subset. So if you take one edge, it's one vertex in the first subset, another vertex in the second subset.